What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And I had somebody say, what is the situation with, I had somebody comment, and I was getting to this video. I wanted to kind of do it, sitting down in the office to be able to really talk about the situation. But I wanted to give you guys an update on the Hadadd Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram situation. All right, guys, before we get into today's video, you know what time it is. We got to talk about the sponsors here at the channel, and that is Morgan & Morgan Attorneys at Law. If you're looking for a personal injury attorney, you will find none larger than Morgan & Morgan, handling over 20 million phone calls in 2023 alone. When they they put the moniker out there of size matters, they actually mean it. They are the largest firm on the planet. You can get started in 8 clicks or less by going to forthepeople.com/TK's Garage. Again, that is forthepeople.com/TK's Garage. And I appreciate them for allowing me to do what I do. All right, guys, quick update on the Hadadd Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram situation. If you remember, we had a person reach out to us that had a matching Demon 170. And the dealership had was like, we want 40 over for it, or they wanted more than 40 over for it. I don't remember, it was 50 or 100 or whatever. And the customer was like, no, that's ridiculous. We agreed at X amount. And then they proceeded to sell his matching numbered Demon 170, or they claimed to have sold it. And come to find out, it looks like, and this is from inside sources at the dealership, as well as another dealership. And we've talked about this other dealership before too. I'm just waiting on confirmation. I've already talked to one of my spies at the other dealership to tell me if they got photos of his Demon coming in. So it looks like Hadadd Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram did a dealer trade with another dealer who we've talked about and has threatened to sue me for that Demon, and they had to take a bunch of Hornets off of their hands as part of the deal. Why is this significant? Well, it's significant two ways. Nobody wants these fucking Hornets. Nobody wants these cars, SUVs, CUVs, whatever the fuck you want to call them. Nobody wants these shits. Nobody wants to test drive them at events. Nobody wants to drive these ratchet-ass food stamp Alfa Romeo SUVs. They just don't. Nobody wants the shit. They don't. All right? So you have that. Whoa. Sorry. Guys coming over. Like, you can't clearly see this big black car. Yes, I think I just made a BBC reference. Anyways, so one of the things that was interesting to me was, so you wouldn't sell it to the customer who has first right of refusal for a matching Demon, but you dumb son of a bitches will trade it with another scumbag dealer if they'll take Hornets off your hands, because that floor plan's getting heavy, huh? Sorry, there's a thing I use the word I'm gonna have to bleep or cut out. I had we know that floor plan is rhymes with grape and ape your ass. We already know what is going on with your floor plan situation and how bad you son of a bitches are behind right now. But instead of you doing right by the customer, you're willing to take more of a beating on social media, which I know a lot of these GMs and the old school guys think don't matter. Yeah, if the inside sources from my people at another dealership in Oklahoma send me these sales figures, and it shows that they've gone way down in sales, yeah, I think that the social media posts, the videos make a difference. I don't know. It's just me. Maybe I'm old school. I don't know. But anyways, there you guys have it. I wanted to give you guys an update on it as soon as I get these photos in from one of my wonderful spies at the other dealership. Don't get it twisted. We're re-roasting those motherfuckers too. I'm going to go right back in They can all eat a bag of dicks, and we don't care. We don't care. F your feelings. I don't know why. I just fuck your feelings. All right. I don't know why I bleep myself there, where I've already said dicks and all kinds. Yeah. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you feel that we are pushing this the right way and you want me to continue to do it, I'm going to do my best physically to be able to do it while I can. And then if I just go away one day, you guys kind of know what happened. But let's keep our foot on their necks, keep going to work, and get the business. I sound like a politician. Let's get the business of the people done. Damn. I'll see you guys on the next one.